How'd you get started? That is the number one question that I get asked all the time. So today, I'm here to tell you exactly how I started and grew my own tutoring business. I'm Lauren Louder, owner of Learn Louder Tutoring and Burnout Teachers. In January of 2020, I decided to start my own tutoring business and was able to walk away from the classroom just 6 months later. Now I help other teachers by showing them how to start and grow their own successful tutoring businesses. Another thing I hear teachers say a lot is, I would love to do what you're doing, I just have no idea where to even begin. So today, I'm going to tell you exactly how I got started as a tutor and the steps I took to double and even triple my teacher income. Buckle up. I know teachers are busy. I won't take too much of your time, but hopefully you'll be able to walk away from your computer today with a little more confidence so that you can get started on your own journey. Here we go. Let's jump right in. Number one, discover your why. Now I know this sounds like buzzwords nowadays. I feel like everyone's saying, know your why. What's your why? But hear me out. Your why is going to keep you going when times get tough. Because I can promise you that there will be times when you start a business that you want to throw in the towel. You want to call it quits. Building a business is not easy. There will be times you want to give up, and I can guarantee that. I've been there. But knowing your why will keep you going. During the hard times, you're going to have your why to look back on. You're going to say, why did I even start this mess? And you're going to remember, oh yeah, I want more time with my family. I want to be able to travel more. I want to be able to take care of my aging parents. Whatever your why is, whatever it is, it's not wrong. Own it. It's your why. So discover your why. This will be the foundation of why you're doing what you're doing in your business. Number two, name your business. Duh. Think of something that sets you apart from the others. Maybe you love to go to the beach. I saw a business name, it was like Blue Emerald or something like that, because the person loved the ocean and it just had a really special meaning to her. So that's what she chose. Maybe you want to come up with like a cute play on words or like a pun or an alliteration. You know, I did Learn Louder, cutesy. But think about what's important to you and put that into your name and let that lead the way when you're trying to name your business. Number three, identify and overcome or try to overcome any fears. You don't have to overcome them to start a business. You can start scared, okay? There are many lies that our brains try and convince us of. We're not smart enough. There's other people out there doing this. Why would someone want to come to me? I don't know enough. People aren't going to pay what I'm asking. Whatever it is, whatever your fears are, we all have them. You have to want this bad enough that the fear of failure or the fear of starting small doesn't matter to you. You have to have the mindset of, I don't care what happens, I'm doing this. I'm going for it. What's the worst that can happen? No one's interested? Okay, so then start over or try a new approach. Putting yourself out there can be so scary, but let me tell you something. It is so worth it. You have a light to share with this world that is unlike anyone else's light. Do not dim it down out of fear. Number four, determine your location and target audience. Who will you help? What's your preference? Just because you're certified K through 6 doesn't mean you have to stick to K through 6. If you love the little bitty ones, like the 4-year-olds pre-K age, you know what they need to know by kindergarten. Help them. Maybe you like the older ones, so stick to 3rd through 5th. Maybe your gift is teaching kids how to read, so you just want a reading tutoring business. Or maybe you love math, so you just want to help kids with math. This is your business. Run it however makes you happy. Think about what lights you up and let that lead the way. I'm certified K through 6, but I ran a learning pod for pre-K 1 year. I also took on a 7th grader. What's Tabitha saying? Because that's my business? Because that's our business. Now I know a lot of teachers struggle with, I don't know what my location's gonna be, I don't know where I can host these sessions. And let me tell you this, if you have a kitchen table, you have a place to hold tutoring sessions. Don't put a lot of pressure on yourself to have a cute area or a big open classroom space. It's okay to start small. I started meeting clients at our local library, and honestly, it started to burn me out again. I was already burnt out in the classroom. I didn't want to then become burnout in my tutoring business. I started my tutoring business so that I wouldn't be burnt out anymore. I was spending money on gas. I was taking up time to drive there and drive home. There were also clients that I was going to their house. One time, like one summer, I was going the opposite side of town, and then I would have to go to the other opposite side of town for another session. And it was just like, no. So for me, it just became too much. Having it at my house makes it so much easier for scheduling. They can just come to me and then I can just schedule the next one right after. I'm not spending money on gas. I'm not losing out on session time just because I'm having to travel to and from. I will say, if you are going to have it in your home, I recommend having some sort of camera that captures audio and video. You always want to protect the tutor-student relationship, and it's for everyone's safety. Number 5, set your rates. This is something most of my clients struggle with. Almost every teacher trying to start a tutoring business struggles with this. I hear this all the time. I have no idea what to charge. Here's my advice to you. Think about all the things that go into your tutoring business. Your credentials, your experience, if you're traveling, your travel time, gas money, the cost of living in your area, time it takes you to prep for your students, your bills that you have to pay, supplies that you may have to buy, maybe your space if you're renting a space. So do not sell yourself short when you're determining what your prices are going to be. You've got bills to pay, you've got goals. I always say people will look at 2 things that are the same. And if one thing is priced very, very low and the other is priced higher, they're gonna look at the thing that's priced higher and say, that's probably better quality. Also, you may wanna offer different sessions. Like I have a 30-minute session, a 45-minute session, and a 60-minute session. I know that some families have different budgets. I know that some children have different attention spans. So I like to be able to meet many different families' needs. And let me end with this. Charge more. You are worth it. Number 6, legitimize your business and draft a contract. I set my business up as an LLC, and I did that to protect my personal assets and my family. So I always recommend, if you're going to do this full time, you should also set your business up as an LLC or talk with a lawyer and see what they recommend. But protecting yourself is a necessity, especially as a business owner. And do not forget a contract. Do not run your business without a contract. Don't do it. A contract lays out for clients what you expect, what your boundaries are, and it protects you. I worked with a lawyer to draft my contract because I wanted it to sound professional and I wanted to be protected. This is a great way for you to set boundaries with clients before they even come for their first session. How are they gonna pay? Where are they gonna drop their kid off? What happens if they don't show up for a session? Will you have a 24-hour rule? You should. I also have a welcome letter that I send out to all parents and guardians before their first session so that they can know exactly what to expect before they even come here. Number 7, create a Facebook business page. This will be the first platform that you start advertising through. Here's a great place to grow an audience, attract interest, and start marketing your business. Through your Facebook business page, you'll also be able to run Facebook ads. These are awesome for tutors who are tutoring virtually because they can reach wherever. There's no limit on who you can reach with Facebook ads. Number 8, design a website. There are tons of free platforms out there that you can use. I use Wix. It's been really great. But a website gives you more of a professional landing for people to come find you. It gives you more space to tell people about yourself, your experience, your philosophy as a teacher. You can attach documents. It's just, there's more, you could do more with it, and it definitely makes you seem more professional. Number 9, advertise, advertise, advertise. So you've got your Facebook business page now. Use it. You're gonna borrow other people's audiences, join groups, get your name out there. Don't be spammy, but get your name out there. Go to networking events, make business cards or rack cards. Hold on. I'll make that one. Ooh, okay, here's one of my rack cards. So they are bigger than business cards. They're colorful, they stand out. You can fit a lot of information on them. Drop them off at the pediatrician, the gym, small businesses in your area. Whoever will let you put them out, do it. Number 10, the last step, brand yourself. What sets you apart from the others? You're the blank tutor. Like for me, I have an in-home classroom. Not many parents or guardians have seen that. I also have my master's and I advertise that on my website. That sets me apart from people as well. Maybe you're the math tutor. Maybe you're the sight word tutor. What are you good at? What sets you apart from other tutors? And another tip, go have some branding photos done. Reach out to a photographer that you trust and get some professional pictures done. They're great to put on your website. They're great to put on your Facebook page. That sets you apart from other people as well. And that's it. That's exactly how I started and grew my own tutoring business. And guess what? It's possible for you too. If you're wanting to dive a little bit deeper, be sure to check out the Tutoring Toolkit. There you'll find my welcome letter, all of my advertising techniques and Facebook posts, business card and rack card templates, and I've even thrown in my legal contract that I use as a freebie. I paid a lawyer a lot of money to write that up for me, and you get it for free. You'll even find some extras in there, like Teachers Paid Teachers mysteries that I wrote, and a discount code for a one-on-one coaching session with me. I'll attach all of this below so it's easy to find. Be sure to find me on TikTok and Instagram at Burnout Teachers, and I even have a free Facebook community that you can join. It's called Burnout Teachers, Getting Out of Your Own Way to Pursue Your Dreams. Best of luck to you on your tutoring journey, and seriously, charge more.